Hey guys, this is my video on adding the weather strip on the bottom of the doors. This is my 2009 Mini Cooper hatchback. When I picked it up, it was used. I picked it up used a year ago, and it doesn't come with the strip. But I was reading online that that year, 2009, it didn't come with the strip on the bottom for some reason, but previous years it did. So I'm wondering if not having that rubber strip on the bottom of the door was a contributing factor, which I got fixed, which was the rust that developed underneath this seal for the door. There was no rust on the upper sides, but there was rust on the bottom. And I had Mini USA fix that, and they did a good job at fixing the rust underneath on both sides. So I was wondering if the reason that happens is because since there's no weather strip on the bottom, when I'm driving in the rain, water shoots up and gets underneath and rusts the bottom. So what I did is I went ahead and bought a couple of those to install. Let me show you those. Okay, I picked these up on Pelican Parts. Two of them, one for each side. They're about 20 bucks each, $21 each. And I got them at Pelican Parts. You can find them. They're for the front door bottom. What do they call them? Right here. Door weather strip, front bottom, 2009 Mini Cooper hatch. But I think they probably fit other years too. Okay, you see that they have these little clips here, and there's actually a metal strip that runs inside this that makes it stiff. So these clips actually clip on the bottom of the door, which already has holes in it, and I matched it up and they're spaced evenly correctly. So this side would be clipped onto the door, and this is the other side. What I did notice is there was no right or left when you order these, but they're cut exactly the same, which is this has a little cutout right here. So, but if you install them, this cutout would be toward the rear of the door, and then we install it on the other door, it'll be toward the front of the door. So when I was holding these up to match them up to the door, I think these cutouts are supposed to be toward the rear of the door or the opening of the door. So this one will work. These will work fine on the left driver's side door, but if I try to install this one on the passenger side, this cutout would be toward the front. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just duplicate these cutouts on the other side. So flipping one over, using it as a template, I'm going to hold it up to the other side, to the other one, and just go ahead and run a utility knife over it and cut out the same shape, and do it for both of them. Okay, here it is. I ran ahead and cut out these little pieces just using the template from the other side, flipping it over for each of them, and because otherwise I think it might actually bind a little bit, but so I went ahead and did it on both of them. So let me go ahead and install those, and I think they just clip right in. Okay, you see the way this clip is? It's like a little double fish hook clip. So basically you just push it in and it'll clip right into the holes. So here it is installed on the driver's side. So I have to cut out the little cutout right here, which I made, which is identical to the one on this side. And I think it's this side that's actually more important, but I did on both ends. Both ends have it, so that way when I close the door, it should make a nice, good seal. So the door opens and closes fine. Doesn't seem to make it bind, so it seems to be fine. I'll check it out to see if there's any road noise, less road noise too. Some people said that's the reason that rubber flap gasket is to reduce road noise, but I think it's to help reduce the spray back up into that area, so it wouldn't rust again. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the passenger side, and I'll be done. And hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.